have already... The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles east of Bethel near Pecasset, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Very weak, short-lived tornadoes will also be possible. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Tuttle, Minco, Amber, Bridge Creek, and Pecasset. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 98 and 101. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.